Problem related to the LCM. Look at the problem first. LCM of first 40 naturals divided by the LCM of first 30 naturals. What is LCM? As we know, LCM is the prime numbers with maximum powers involved in the given numbers. See, when you observe all these numbers coming to 2, maximum value, see, when you need to observe the powers of 2. Powers of 2, maximum value of power of 2 appeared in this first 40 natural numbers is 2 power 5. 2 power 6 is not there in the first 40 natural numbers. So, as a part of LCM, you need to take 2 power 5. Whereas coming to the denominator, when you observe, see in the first 30 natural numbers, 2 power 5 is not involved. You need to identify up to 2 power 4. Okay. Right, coming to 2, we have 2 power 5 in the numerator, 2 power 4 in the denominator. Whereas coming to 3, 3 power 1, okay, 3 square and 3 cube. 3 power 4 is not involved in both the numerator and denominator, okay. 3 power 4 is 81, which is not there in the first 40 naturals. 3 power 4 is 81, which is not there in first 30 naturals. See, before going to attempt this problem, you need to know about the way of writing LCM if the numbers are expressed in prime factorization. If you express each and every number in its prime factorization, and then you need to observe powers of 2, powers of 3, powers of 5, like that. What I am going to conclude to is, in this first 40 natural numbers, 2 power 5, there is an involvement of 2 power 5. But there is an involvement of only 2 power 4 when you observe the prime factorization of every number. So you need to take 2 power 5 and 2 power 4. After that 2, when you think about 3 as well, think about 5. See, 3 power 3 is the maximum power involved in these numbers. As well in denominator also 3 power 3 only. So you need to write like 3 power 3 and 3 power 3. Whereas coming to 5 square is the maximum power of 5 involved in both numerator and denominator. So likewise, if you write after this 2, for every prime number we will get same power both in numerator and denominator. See, for all the primes below 30. And this numerator contains prime number after the 30 also. What are those prime numbers? 31 is a prime number. You will get 31 also in the numerator, but there is no chance of getting 31 in the denominator. And see, what are the prime numbers between 30 and 40 you need to mention in the numerator, okay, in the LCM of the numbers. So 31 you will get in numerator, 32 is not prime, 33 is not prime, 34 is not prime, whereas 35 is also not prime, 36 is not prime, 37 is a prime, 38, 39 and 40 all are not primes. So ultimately, this is the LCM of this denominator, first 30 natural numbers. This is the LCM of this numerator, first 40 natural numbers. When you cancel out, you are left with 2 into 31 into 37. There is, see, you just observe this powers of 2. This is 2 power 5, this is 2 power 4. So that division is 2. And for 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, for all those numbers powers are same. So all these numbers will get cancelled. You left with 2 into 31 into 37, and this is your answer for the problem. Have a look. If you have any doubts, just mention. See, the problem is very simple, but to answer this problem, we need to know the way of writing LCM using prime factorization. Okay? You just think about the problem once again, okay? See, all the prime numbers which are in between 1 and 30 exist both in denominator as well in numerator. So, easily you will cancel out all the numbers. But the primes which are between 30 and 40 exist only in numerator, not in denominator. Okay? That's what I am saying. Okay? See, every prime number will exist. 3 power something will exist, but with same power both in numerator and denominator. 5 power something will exist with same power both in numerator and denominator. 7 power something, 11 power, 13 power, like that every prime number will exist, but all will get cancelled. You left with these two along with the 31 and 37. Okay? Have a look. Next logical problem, and this problem is related to GCD and LCM. Okay? See, GCD of A comma 72 is 24. LCM of B comma 24 is 72. and A is given as the smallest 3-digit number, B is largest possible integer. Then find GCD of A comma B and LCM of A comma B. Okay, that's what these two we have to find. So to find GCD of AB and LCM of AB, first of all we need to identify A and B according to these four given restrictions. See, when you follow first and third restriction we will get A, and if you follow second and fourth restriction we will get B. Okay. See, GCD of A comma 72 is given, is 24 is given, A I don't know, we have to find, and 72 is given, and the GCD of these two numbers is given as 24. You just try to prime factorize everything. If you prime factorize 24, 2 cube into 3 power 1 is its prime factorization. Whereas coming to 72, this is, I think so, 2 cube into 3 square is the prime factorization. And now we need to find out A. Actually, we know the way of writing GCD if the numbers are in prime factorization. See, we need to follow 2 power the smallest value. Okay, since we need to follow 2 power the smallest value, here 2 power 3 is involved. Then for A, we need to use any number which is more than 2. Okay, which, see, 2 power any number which is more than 3 we have to use. Okay, there is no chance of filling this place with 2 or 1, because when compared with these powers the least value is 3, so this value is maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, like that. In the same way, when you think about 3, since here 3 square is involved, so here again we need to write minimum possibility of 2. Okay, and there is no chance of using 5 here. Okay, see, there is chance, right? Since we are discussing GCD, here 5 power 0 is involved, and since we have to think about what the least power, so here again we need to use only 5 power 0, so there is no chance of using that 5 power 0 and 7 power 0, everything. So you just think about A from there. So A is equals to 2 power 3 into 3 power 2 into something, you have to write anything. Okay, so 2 power 3 into 3 power 2 is what? See, 2 power 3 into 3 power 2 is 72, 72 into something you can write. So since A is mentioned as smallest 3-digit number, you need to think about just a minute. Okay, look at the board. There is a small mistake actually happened. See, GCD of 24 is 2 cube into 3 power 1, 72 is 2 cube into 3 square, and I am going to find out A. I don't know A. That A may be of the format 2 power x into 3 power y into 5 power z into 7 power something into, like that. Okay, we need to fix that x, y, z something t or like that. Okay, now see, actually what is the GCD of A comma 72? If you wish to write GCD of A comma 72, then that is 2 power minimum value of x and 3 we need to take. Okay, minimum value of x and 3, that means this x value may be more than 3. This position you can fill with any number which is greater than or equals to 3 into 3 power, since here 3 square is mentioned and this is 2y, minimum value of y comma 2 you need to think. Since it is 3 power 1, that minimum value should be 1, so y should be 1. 3 power 1 is fixed. Whereas coming to 5, since 5 is not involved here, so 5 power 0, 0 itself is the least, so this z may be anything. What I am going to tell you is, here you just take it as 5 power 0. Okay, so what is the minimum value of z and 0? It is 0, and that's why z may be any number, no problem. So at the end what we need to conclude is, again you may get anything for 5 power, anything for 7 power, like that. And when you observe this, minimum possibility is 2 cube into 3, which is 8 3 is 24. 24 into something you can write. 24 into 2 power something into 5 power something into 7 power something you can write. You can't use 3 here. Okay, because 3 power 1 is fixed. As per the problem, A is the smallest 3-digit number. Now you need to think about with what number you need to multiply 25 to get a smallest 3-digit number. Okay, see, when you check with 24 multiples, okay, if you take 24 into 2 power 0 into 5 power 1, that is equals to 120. This 120 is the smallest possibility. If you place other numbers in the place of these positions, you may get some other numbers, but it is not a smallest 3-digit number as per the situation. So finally, with this discussion, a value is 120. This is actually the descriptive way of finding a. Okay, one may find out a as 120 directly by observing or by guessing. Okay, at the end a is 120. This is the descriptive way of finding. In the same way, now using this second condition and then this fourth condition, we need to find the value of b. Okay, now you just have a look the way of finding b. Here for b, LCM of b comma 24 is given as 72. Okay, I don't know b. That means again that b may be 2 power x into 3 power y into 5 power z into 7 power t into something. Okay, I am just mentioning all the prime numbers with certain powers. And next number is 24. 24 is 2 cube into 3 power 1. And their LCM is given as 72. That 72 is 2 cube into 3 square. Usually for LCM we will use what? Highest powers. Since 2 cube is used, so this power 3 is the highest number. So what are the possibilities for x? In x you may take either 0 or 1 or 2. Okay, fine. b is equals to 2 power. See, the question is about finding largest possible integer. Since we are finding largest possible integer, you need to use maximum possibility for every number. Okay, actually in the place of x you may use maximum value of x and 3 is 3, as LCM is given as 72. So x may be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. Since we are searching for largest possibility, you just use 2 power 3. Then coming to 3 power. Here 3 power 1 and here 3 power y. Okay, LCM is 3 square. 3 square is involved in LCM. So the maximum value of y and 1 is 2. Since the maximum value of y and 1 is 2, y must be 2. Okay, if y is 3, then you need to change it as 3, but we can't that. So y is for sure 2. Then coming to 5. Okay, what is 5? Here we have 5 power 0, and in LCM also we have 5 power 0, because since 5 is not involved, you may use 5 power 0. So maximum value of z and 0 is 0. Since maximum value of z and 0 is 0, z also should be 0. So z0 in the sense 5 power 0, 5 is not involved. In the same way 5, 7 and everything are not involved. So b is equals to 2 cube into 3 square is the largest possible integer. So you will get b is equals to 2 cube into 3 square in the sense 72. So a is equals to 120, b is equals to 72 just by investigating using prime factorization method. At the end our task is to find GCD and LCM of these two numbers. So 120. 120 is 24 into 5, 2 cube into 3 into 5, 72. 72 is 2 cube into 3 square. The question is about finding GCD and LCM of a comma b. Okay. What is the GCD of these two numbers? To find the GCD of two numbers, this is equals to 2 power. We need to think about the least powers. 3 and 3, least power is 3. 3 power 1, 5 power 0. Whereas coming to LCM, so 2 power 3, highest power 3 square and 5 power 1. That is GCD. This is LCM for a comma b. Okay, have a look. This is another interesting problem related to LCM and GCD, and the problem is completely based on prime factorization method of LCM and GCD. Okay, have a look. Next problem, so almost similar type. Here GCD of 120 comma a is given as 40, and the restriction is given on a such that 50 less than a less than 200. We need to find out all possible values of a. So first of all, you just think about a. As we discussed in the previous problem, use prime factorization. 120 a, and for these two numbers GCD is 40. So if you prime factor is 120, 120 is actually 15. 8 is 120. 8 in the sense 2 cube, 15 means 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. This is 120. And what is 40? 40 is 2 cube into 5. So since 3 is not involved, 2 cube into 3 power 0 into 5 power 1 is 40. For these two numbers 120 and A, GCD is 2 cube into 3 power 0 into 5 power 1. Then what you think about A? So for GCD we will use minimum power. Since here 2 cube is involved, for A, so for we just take it as A as some 2 power x into 3 power y into 5 power z into 7 power t into something. If you take it like that, then what you say about A? A is equals to 2 power. See, the minimum value of x and 3 is 3. Minimum of x and 3 is 3 means x may be any number more than 3. So here you can take any number which is greater than or equals to 3. Next, 3 power. For 1 and y, minimum value is 0. Since for 1 and y, minimum value is 0. So what we need to take in the place of 1? In the place of y. So it should be, conformly it is 0, okay. If you take y as 2 or 3, then the minimum value will become 1. But since it is given as 1, this y value must be 0. You can't take 1 also in the place of y. If y is 1, then in GCD also you will get 1 as a power of 3. But it is 3 power 0, so sure you need to take 3 power 0. Then what you say about 5? Here again, since 1 is given and this is z, minimum value of 1 and z is 1. So this z for sure is less than 1. Okay? No. Minimum value of 1 and z is 1. So z may be 1 or more than 1 because minimum is 1. Z may be any number which is greater than or equals to 1. Whereas coming to 7. See, since 7 is not involved. Okay? Here we have 7 power 0. Here again we have 7 power 0. That represents that minimum of 0 comma t is 0. So this t is any number which is greater than or equals to 0. Likewise, we will construct A. Now our task is to find all the possible values of A. We need to construct all the possible values of A with this factorization. So A may be, what are the possible values of this number? First of all, it may be 3, 2 power 3, or you may use 2 power 4. So there is a chance of using, I am just trying to get A, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6 and 2 power 7, 2 power 8. Anything you may get. 3 power 0 is fixed. Whereas coming to 5 square, 5 cube, anything you may get. But since A is in between 50 and 200, I am just not mentioning that 5 power 4, 5 power 5 because these numbers are more than 200. Okay? Whereas coming to 7, see 7 power 0. Okay? That in the sense, yeah. Not involvement of 7. Okay? 1, 7, 7 square, like that you will get. You may get next prime numbers also. The numbers may be 1 and 11 like that. Okay? So, possibilities I am going to search for A which are in between 50 and 200. So, you may take any of these in different possible combinations. 2 cube is 8. 8 5s is 40 into 1. So, one possibility for A is 2 cube into 5, but since it is not in between 50 and 200, you just neglect it. Next, 2 cube into 5 square. 8 into 25 is 200. Okay? So 2 cube into 5 square is the required possibility. No need to go for 7 because if you multiply with 7 it becomes more than 200. And the next thing, 2 cube into 7 is a possibility. 8 sevens. Okay? 2 cube into 1 is also a possibility, but that 2 cube is not in between 50 and 200. But 2 cube into 7 is 56, which is in between 50 and 200. Okay? So, yeah. Next. 2 power 4 into 5. 16 5 80 into 1 is possible. 16 into 25 is not possible. 16 into 5 into 7, if you say, what you will get? 16 sevens. So this is not possible actually. Why? Because we need to use any one of these three. So for sure there is an involvement of 5. Okay? Because this 5 power is greater than or equals to 1. So for sure you need to use that number. Okay? 2 power 4 into 5, 2 cube into 5 square. Only these two are the possibilities. No other possibility will happen. Actually there are many possibilities for A, but with this restriction we have only two possibilities for A. They are 2 power 4 into 5, 2 cube into 5 square. Okay, you just multiply these numbers with these along with this and then you go on like that. Okay, 2 cube into 5 into 1, 2 cube into 5 into 7, 2 cube into 5 into 7 square. Like that you can get many numbers. But the numbers which are in between 50 and 200 are these two. Okay, one number is 80, other number is 200 actually. Okay. So if you check, we have another possibility also. 2 power 5 into 5 is also one of the possibility. 2 power 5 into 5 is 160. This 160 is also a number which is in between 50 and 200. Okay. You just search like that. Okay. Yeah. So look at the next problem. See, LCM of A comma 48 is given as 336 and A is in between 20 and 50. We need to find all possible values of A and these are the answers we need to check. See, again I go with prime factorization method. I don't know A, so that A may be 2 power x into 3 power y into c, 5 power z into 7 power t into something. See, just express A with its prime factorization. See, 48 is given, which is 2 power 4 into 3, and LCM is given as 336, its prime factorization is 2 power 4 into 3 into 7. Now I need to fix the values of A. I am going to find the possible values of A. See, for LCM, always we need to write maximum value in the power. So, what is A? So, 2 power, since in the result of LCM 4 is 2 power, so maximum value of x and 4 is 4. Since maximum value of x and 4 is 4, so this x may be any number which is less than or equals to 4. You may take any number which is less than or equals to 4. Into coming to 3, maximum value of y and this 1 is 1. Maximum value of y and 1 is this one. So we can't take number which is more than 1 in the place of y. So that y may be less than or equals to 1. See, next, 5 is not involved, 5 power 0 is not involved, so you just don't use the 5 power 0. Whereas coming to 7, since here 5 power 0 and here 7 power 0, you just mention maximum value of this t and 0 is 1. Maximum value of t and 0 is 1. When it happens? It happens for sure if t is equals to 1. Okay. If t is equals to 2, then you may get here again 2. But since it is 1, you need to fix t as 1. Okay. So at the end A is equals to, A has this possibility. That in the sense what I have to take. Okay. So 2 power less than or equals to 4 in the sense 2 power 0. That means 1. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8. 2 power 4 is 16. Whereas coming to 3, 3 power 0 means 1. 3 power 1 is 3. And here you need to fix 7. Now, in all possible ways, you need to multiply these numbers, and if they are in between 20 and 50, they are the required numbers. Okay. See, 1 into 1 into 7. 7 is a possible value for A, but it is not in between 20 and 50. You just leave 7. Okay. Next, 1 into 3 into 7. 21. 21 is in between 20 and 50. So 21 is one of our answer. Next, 4 into 3 into 7. Okay. 4 3 is 12. 12 sevens is 84. Okay, so 84 is not in between them. 4 into 1 into 7, 28 is a possibility. Next, 8 into 1 into 7 is not a possibility, right? Next, 2 into 3 into 7, 2 3 is 6, 6 7 is 42 is a possibility. 24 is our answer or not? 8 into 3 is 24. We can't take 1 here, okay? For sure we need to get 7 as an involved. 7 must be in the prime factorization of A. So this 24 is not an answer, okay? These three are the only possibilities. Just have a look.